Welcome to the P Rifle Repair Shop. That's my P-Force regulator stopped regulating, so we're going to start taking this apart. First step would be degassing the rifle. Now I shot it down to about the middle of the yellow, and I came up with this idea here. Instead of shooting it all the way down, I keep my fingers out of the screen here. I need a selfie stick or something. Okay, but here's your regular hammer spring. Where am I here? Alright. Hammer spring tensioner. We're going to replace the hammer spring in here with crossbow bolt I cut off with a pipe cutter. Okay. And then we take our quarter in the slot here. My wrist doesn't always want to turn like it used to. Over here. Well, I think we got it in there right. I might get some fingers in the picture here. I can get a better grip. Oh, there you go. Just gradually let air out the valve. Just wait for it all stop hissing out. It's got to go through the regulator and out, so there's some restrictions there. And either you can just push on the hammer and see if you can depress the valve. I'm pointing here, push down the hammer where this is. Just push on that. If you can depress the valve, then your air is all out of the system through the regulator and the plenum. So there's degassing your Pinty rifle.